Hi guys, my name is Cord Kostler and I own Celebrity Direct Entertainment. We're an entertainment management company and booking agency with our main office located in Port Charlotte, Florida. I'm the designer of Booking Pro 3.0 and all its previous versions. I'm happy to finally make it available to you. We feel this unique software package template, designed and refined to meet our own needs over the last 16 years of booking and contracting entertainers for virtually all types of events, will meet the needs of virtually any booking agency, management company or manager, entertainer, or venue. For years, myself and Celebrity Direct Entertainment's other agents have used virtually every other software package on the market, trying to find something that would meet our needs of organizing client contact information, recording quotes, organizing marketing campaigns, logging phone calls, issuing both artist and venue contracts, recording agent commissions, and keeping track of payments received from venues and paid out to performing artists. After years of research and trial and error, we came up with two conclusions. One, all of the other software packages on the market are very expensive, most costing several $1,000s or requiring a subscription. Two, none of the software packages did exactly what we needed them to. This package costs only $299 and works exactly like we want it to. What's more is you can customize it for your changing needs and never have to pay another penny to keep your business efficient. You found this website and you've clicked on this video because you have a need. Maybe you found us coming from the CelebrityDirect.net website. Maybe you were doing an internet search. You're possibly tired of unorganized and cluttered notebooks, or using software that doesn't integrate with your other software like you'd like it to. Or because your existing methods of organizing your business doesn't exactly work like you want it to. In this video, I'm going to do a quick run-through of just some of the features as Celebrity Direct Entertainment currently implements it. While watching this video, keep in mind that every aspect of this can be 100% customized for your company and your needs. The contact management screen alone features 115 data fields, all of which are customizable. Each of your clients or potential clients has their own working screen where you can keep all their pertinent contact information and then details for contract when it gets to that time. The artist and buyer contract templates are easily editable as well. We found that this system, as it's currently set up, works for the majority of entertainment agents and entertainers with very little editing needed. We've done the work for you. However, I will personally be glad to assist you in customizing this package should you need it. As we get into this demonstration, there are a couple of key points to be aware of. The mouse is highlighted so that you can easily track it. One of the most important points of the contact management screen is that the yellow area on the left is the basic contact and promotional logs for each of your contacts. All of your clients or potential clients will have their own working screen. On the right-hand side of the working screen, this gray area, as well as down here, is designated to have specific details pertinent to generating contracts for both entertainers and your buying customers, venues, other agencies, etc. Let's do a quick overview of the working contact form screen. Remember, to review this screen in more detail, click the screenshot on the bookingpro.biz website. You'll find it on the right-hand column. Simply click and check it out. Okay, now we're going to go through the working database management screen. I'm going to go down and select CDE Master. This is it happens to be the name of our master database file. One of the things you'll notice, remember, on the left-hand area is basically contact information, company name, business name, address, phone, email addresses, etc. Then there are three other points kind of within this yellow area. Whenever we get a new client and they phone in, immediately we record what act they're inquiring about, the dates, location, any special notes about the buyer we need to remember. We also designate when and how promo has been mailed out. Promo packs, DVDs, even via email. Promo mailed, Just some of the fields are promo mailed, email promo, if our when our entertainment roster has been mailed out, and phone call logs. Another area here that's very important are the quotes that we've given. Here you can see for this particular group, minimum of 10 shows on a tour, $5,000 each, etc., etc. Go here to another sample database entry. You can see similar quotes here. Here's a $5,500 quote. In parentheses, we put 5,000. So we can log what the artist has agreed to do the performance for. And then there's another field, the need to field. Follow up, make a phone call next Wednesday, etc., etc. It's all right there. Again, over here in the gray is contract details, the act, the artist contract name, and the artist contact name and phone number. Dates, $6,610 is what the buyer price is, and we're paying the artist $5,500. Okay, so that's going to leave us total profit before expenses of $1,100. There's actually a field over here to designate that, a field here to designate agent commission. You can see the agent's initials are up here. They're owed a commission of this amount. Again, these are the sample numbers, but then confirmation of when the agent was paid. Another valuable point on this screen is this box right up here. This is general information such as the type of buyer it is. Agency, could be a casino, could be a community, it could be just a theater. But we like to record that because then later on we'll sort. If we need to market to all the theaters in Kentucky, we can sort by those two variables. The agent is listed there. Last time we edited this field. And in the status, we have 6 sample status that we use. Contract, active, a past customer, someone we need to remove from our database completely, a general inquiry, and subactive. Also on this side of the screen are 3 variable artists. Let's say these are primary artists for your agencies that you want to promote. So we record the date when specific promo or newsletter on that artist has been sent out. We also have a general company newsletter, and that is recorded here. So if the date is September 1st, 2012, okay, newsletter was sent out, our company-wide newsletter. There's also designation. Because we have multiple databases, we do designate which database each contact is in, because we do have an email distribution service that we use, so we like to designate where that contract is within our own database system. Now going over here to the contract side, you can see the artist contact, the name of the act, the official billing, dates, buyer price, artist price, when the contract's issued, when it's valid till, and then payment structure from the venue. They owe us a deposit on May 20th, 2012. We received $910 on that same day, second payment, and the final payment due at the show. This area right in here is our payments to the artist. So it's payable to John Smith, who's the leader of this fictitious group. And we owe them $500 on 7/15/12. They were paid on 6/26/12. Second payment of over $2,000 there. Final payment $3,000 day of show. Now here's a variable field. We have it listed as CDE 123. This is how much of each payment, just for our quick glance reference of how much money we made off each payment, either for our commissions or expenses. We also list everything from dressing rooms. They may need 3 dressing rooms for that particular show, so we can change that. To percentage of merchandise sales that go to the artist, special food or catering request, performance location, number of shows, etc., etc. This field is travel information. Details on who's providing air and ground, etc., full travel list, all of those details can be inputted here. And here is hotel information, the driver, number of hotel rooms, who's providing them. Remember, everything in gray are all variables for the contract. The final portion of this is technical requirements. This will be imported into the technical writer page of each contract for the artist and the buyer. Buyer tech and artist tech. Artist is providing this, possibly backline, etc. if they're traveling with it. Venue provides sound, lights, backline. Maybe they need a baby grand piano for the stage, so that goes in there. Now, another great feature about the working database management screen is you can sort this database by any of the 115 fields. Maybe you want to sort your contacts by agent, so it's in a clear list. You could print it out for your individual agents, so you would sort it by the agent field. You could also sort it by status, performance date, anything. The need to field. Maybe you need a daily list to start off your morning to see, okay, what do we have to get done today? And everything in here might be in the need to field. Might be a follow-up call or a send email, promo, something like that. So you can sort that completely, and that's a great feature of this. The other cool thing about this is we can take this to a list view. Go up here, we'll go to list. Okay, now here is all of our contacts. As you can see, it contains all the fields in a spreadsheet format. Again, it's easily sortable. You can change it. Maybe we want to sort it by email address. Okay, I know those are now mails, so I need to send emails to this portion that hasn't received our latest promo, for instance. I can copy it there, and then I can go into our email program and shoot them an email, and then mark that they received the email promo. The other excellent thing about the list view is you can easily export this data to virtually any other format. Just go to File, Save As, and we can keep it in its current Works database format, or we can save it text and comma, text and tab, dbase version 4, etc. Now, saving these as CSV files, all the data, easily importable into Microsoft Excel or virtually any other program. Vice versa, you can also import from existing programs that you use straight into this software. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the sample contracts, and for this example we are going to use a buyer contract. So I'm going to click down here. Let's see, first I'm going to sort this back to status. Okay, and okay, so we're going to open up a generic buyer contract here. And remember, these contracts are included in your package, ready to go. Now, in looking through this template form of the contract, you can see everything that is bold will be imported from the database screen. For instance, contract valid till, that is this field. I've designated it May 20th, 2012. All of this is totally editable as you need it. You can use your own wording, you can change it, you can make the terms of the contract different. It's very easy to do, and then you just save it and you have it. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go back to the database management contact screen, and I see I want to print a contract for record 5. We have 8,400 total contacts in our database. I want to print record 5. I want to issue them a contract, so I go to print. I select record 5 to 5. Now you can print directly to your printers. Here's all of our printers on the network. Or we can select Adobe Acrobat PDF. This is going to give us a good digital version of the contract for archiving on the computer, and then we'll normally email it out the contracts or print it from that. So we know this is the Beach Boys tribute show on September 19th, and it's for the buyer. So I'm going to save over that one. And it'll take just a couple seconds, and your PDF version of the contract will be done using all the imported information from your contact management screen. Okay, and then what you have is final 6-page contract that is printed using all the imported data, all the terms, the buyer price. We have $6,610, as you can see on this screen. Oh, and this reminds me, it's designated as an outdoor show. I don't think I mentioned that before, but on this screen it's outdoor no, outdoor yes. Put an X there and then it imports into the contract. Okay, and then we cover everything from advertising, liability, interviews, dressing rooms, catering, hospitality, vehicle access and parking, you name it. The 4th page is technical writer, and it has a general tech writer here, and it imports specific changes or details here. But again, you can go in there on your template and just change it. And then an artist engagement information sheet. You can see a pulled in Holiday Inn at 217 Foster Street right here. Pulled that data in. If we would have had a to be provided, that would say to be provided, and we've left a blank and instructions for the buyer to fill out that information as quickly as possible. Final page is a W-9, already filled out with our company information, tax ID number and signature, so that saves a step. And then it's similar with the artist contract as well. We'll select the artist contract. Okay. We're going to print again. Record 5 to 5. It's the same thing, but it's the Beach Boys tribute on September 19th. Artist, sample. You can replace the existing file. And then you can see that this cover letter is to the artist. Their payment is $5,500 for a 90-minute show at 9 p.m. As you see here, artist price. Travel list, all the terms that the buyer has agreed in the other contract. And then the 5th page of the contract is an engagement information sheet. No pricing information or details like that are included in it, but it's intended to be distributed to everyone in the traveling party. And it includes information on time of show, hotel information, flight information, emergency contact numbers, local driver or pickup information, things like that. And then the final page is a blank W-9 for the artist to fill out and return with the signing of the contracts for tax purposes. Now remember, prior to purchase, if you would like to review a generated contract in more detail, you can always go to the bookingpro.biz website and click on the sample contract in the right-hand column. That gives you an actual generated PDF file that you can look through and see the content of the contract as it is. Remember, virtually everything in bold. All the fields are imported from your database management screen. Everything else is static in the contract. However, it's easy to change, edit, make your own wording, however you want to do it. Alright, well, thank you for viewing this introductory video with me today. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 941-624-2254 or shoot me a personal email to bookingpro@celebritydirect.net. I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. Click the Buy Now button on the bookingpro.biz website and you can get started today. Once you order, I'll give you a call. I will email you the database management template as well as the sample contracts and full instructions. I'll then give you a call and we'll do some quick additional walkthroughs, and I'll personally be glad to help you customize your own working screen and contacts. For instance, we'll drop your logos in here and all your contact information and pertinent details on the sample contracts. Remember, these are templates that work with Microsoft Works, which comes packaged with virtually every PC. It doesn't matter the version. We can send you whichever version you need. If you have an older computer and an older version of Microsoft Works, we can send you a format that is compatible with that. So if you have any other questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We look forward to working with you, and we're happy to be able to make your entertainment workday a lot easier.